Hi everyone, it's Hannah from Supplies for Candles, and today we are going to be making designer dupe inspired room spray. Today's fragrance is Aventos, so you are going to need your chosen fragrance oil, a room spray base, room spray bottle, a measuring jug for mixing, and a stirrer. So first of all, this is a 100ml room spray bottle, so I'm going to blend 15ml of Aventos fragrance and 85ml of our natural room spray base. This says natural reed diffuser base, but this is on our website, as are all the ingredients, and this can also be used as a room spray base. So first of all, I think I'll do 85 of the base first. Don't spill it like me. And then we're going to top that up to 100 with our Aventos fragrance. Also make sure when you choose your fragrance, just double check the IFRA to ensure it is suitable for room spray. Check out our video on the channel about how to check IFRA documents if you're unsure how to do this. That's my base and fragrance together, and I'm just going to give it a stir. Make sure that's well mixed. Then I'm going to take my bottle and cap and just pour the liquid into the bottle. Almost full. Okay, and then you're just going to take your pump and lid, screw that on nice and tightly, give it a little pump just to make sure it's working. Lovely. Smells gorgeous. And then pop your cap on. So there you go, that is 100ml of a designer dupe inspired room spray in the fragrance Aventos. If you know that fragrance, it is really, really expensive. It's £200 to £300 a bottle. So this is often a really nice addition for a home fragrance brand, but it's a little bit more affordable. Also makes a nice gift for friends or family, birthday presents, that kind of thing. Father's Day is coming up as well, so it's a good gift idea. And let us know, tag us if you do decide to give these a make.